Hey guys, welcome. It's September 5th, 2017, and this is my first Heart Academy video for Commonwealth Academy. And I'm very excited to be with you. Like I said, I was going to do half your homework with you so that you're not so intimidated, and to let you know that this is one of the resources that I do to assist you with any homework that you'll have for the rest of the year. So let's get it going. And these Heart Academy videos I do are exactly the way that I demonstrated in class. Some of them you may have already done. Some of you may have not done, but you are to complete this entire page, which is 10 problems. Some of them, again, have been done in class, and I'm about to do some with you, so it should still take you less than 15 minutes or so to complete these problems. All right, so as we figured out earlier today, we are doing a review of order of operations, which means that we are reviewing PEMDAS, right? And so, here we go. Remember, the important thing here is to remember that you're doing the, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We'll put that right here as a reminder of the order of how we're doing things. So this means we do what's in the parentheses first, and then we do our exponents. We multiply or divide whatever we see first, and then we're going to add or subtract whatever we see first. I'm going to go ahead and start with number 1, right? So remember, we're going to do what's in the parentheses first, okay? We have 2 sets of parentheses here, as you can see. Let's do this one first. 10 minus 2 is 8. And I know we still struggle with our basic facts, and that's cool. Like I said, I'm straight up and honest. I still struggle with mine, right? And so you can use a calculator. I prefer to use a multiplication chart, but I'm okay with a calculator, just as long as you're showing all of your steps. So I need to see your work. I need to see your work, similar to how I'm demonstrating it right now. All right, so this second set of parentheses. The thing is, when you have parentheses, you still have to follow order of operations. So you're not going to do 44 minus 2. What you got to do first is the exponent here. And this exponent is really saying 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm bringing that part down. And really what I have here is 44 comes down. 44 minus 4, which is 40. Okay? So this parentheses equaled 40. Bring that division sign down. Remember, 10 minus 2 is 8. So now really all I have is 40 divided by 8. Yep, you can go ahead and use a calculator for that. Okay? And so when you have 40 divided by 8, you'll see that your answer is 5. Now I know in all our classes today we demonstrated this problem for you already. But I know what we didn't demonstrate is like a question like number 6. So let me go over here to number 6 and show you what's up with that. Okay. Number 6, here it is. Number 6, so remember, still want to do what's in parentheses first, right? I have 8 plus 5, 13. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now here's the thing. You did the parentheses, but you still have that 2, right? And you can do this if you need to. There it is. There's nothing left in that parentheses, so you know what? We can just bring that 4 down. But however, you have the exponent of 2 right here. So this is really saying what? Not 13 times 2, but rather 13 times 13. Use a calculator if you need to. You have your 13 times 13. You'll get 169. So really this is 169. 169 plus 4. Okay. You'll get 173. Okay, so altogether, this one is going to give you 173. All right, so if I'm going too fast for you, please remember you can always stop, rewind, and go back and take a look forward again, okay? So we did our parentheses. That was 8 plus 5, the 16 divided by 4. We did the exponent. So once we figured out the 8 plus 5 is 13, the exponent over here is a 2, so that told us to do 13 times 13, which gave us 169. There was no exponent on this side. Multiply or divide, we didn't really have any multiplication or division in this problem. So then lastly, add or subtract. We had addition left over. 169 plus 4, 173. Let's try our next one. the sheet up a little bit. Here we go. All right. So again, parentheses first. Have my parentheses first. I'm going to do this. 9 minus 2, 7. I'm going to bring everything else down. There we go. And so now I did a parentheses. Do I have an exponent? Well, yes, I do. I have this. Remember, that is not 4 times 2. It is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Exponent is done. Let me bring everything back down the way that I see it. Now I must multiply or divide whatever I see first. I see multiplication. That's 35. Bring everything down. Now what I have here is 35 plus a 16, right? So 35 plus 16. The answer I get is 51. Voila. Answer to number 3, 51. Let me go over here to number 7. See what we can do. So number 7, right? Number 7, remember we have our parentheses, which is here and here. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 divided by 2. How many times will, or excuse me, 8 will go into 16 3 times. But you have an exponent on this one. Okay? So what is this saying? Not 12 times 2, but 12 times 12, which should give us 144. So this is really 144 plus 3, which is 147. Okay, hold on a second. Oops. Oh, that was wrong. I put 16 divided by 8 and I put 3 when it's actually 2. I knew something was wrong. Alright, so let me go back. I'm gonna have to do number 7 again, and I don't feel like redoing this video. That's how it tells you I'm tired I am. I'm like, I think I did something wrong here. Let me go back. This is not 3. 16 times 3. Okay. That was a 24. Alright, go back. Sorry if you're watching this video. Sleepy. Here we go. Parentheses. Alright. 8, 9, 10. That was 12. This is 2 because 8 plus 8 is 16, not 3. Okay. And then, but this still had the exponent of 2. So the 144 is correct. Plus 2. Okay. There was no exponents. There was no multiply divide. There is add. Okay. 144 plus 2. So I have 146 as my answer. 146. Sorry about that. So I was off and I knew it. So I went back and took a look and said what I had done. That's what's happened when your mind starts to wander. So I can either blame it on me being tired, which I am, or, me being just old, which I am. Me being ADHD, which I am. Me being hungry, which I am. Any one of those, right? You know how I am, guys. I'm going to keep it real. Alright, let's go ahead and do number 8. Let's see, where I'm at? Number 3. Let me go ahead and do number 3. Let me just erase all that. I think you guys got the PEMDAS thing. And how to do what order. Okay. Let me go ahead and do number 3. Parentheses first. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we go. And after parentheses, you have exponents. Remember, that is not 9 times 2. It is 9 times 9, which is 81. I'm going to bring down everything else. Here we go. And then I have multiply or addition. I will multiply 8 times 13. I ain't gonna lie, I have no idea. So here we go. 8 times 13. That gave me 104. So 184 plus 81. Okay, that gives me 185. Final answer for number 3, 185. Okay. I'm going to go over here to number 8. All right. And then that's all I'm going to do. So number 8 is going to be the last example that I give you for today. So I have in parentheses, I got a lot of stuff going on in the parentheses, don't I? So even, again, remember, PEMDAS P, E, multiply, divide, add or subtract. Even while you're in the parentheses, this part right here, you still have to follow the order. So the next thing that you're going to do is the exponent. That's 7 times 7, right? So I'm going to do the 7 times 7 first, which is 49, right? Bring everything else down. Now what would you do according to PEMDAS? Multiply or divide. So the 11 times 3, that's 33. If we bring this down, it's minus 49. You should get a negative number. So 33 minus 49. That's going to be negative 16. And then bring this all the way down. Negative 16 plus 9. Which is going to be negative 7. Negative 7 for that answer. Okay, guys, you got like 4 of these on our own to try. I think that's what's left on the page. I hope this has helped you out. And remember, we're still in the beginning of the school year. We haven't had one complete week yet. You know, at the end of this week, on Thursday and Friday, we're going to go and bond with each other over at Hemlock, and look forward to that. And we're going to get settled with our class rules and regulations very soon. But right now, this is a week of just getting to know each other and refreshing on skills that we've already learned before in the past. So I hope you're enjoying class. I am. Parents, thank you for being very patient with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.